Today, I am going to show you how to pay for your Shein orders with Gcash. Step 1. Log into your Shein account. The first step, of course, is to log into your account. If you do not have an account, go ahead and sign up. Step 2. Once you have logged in, browse the website and select the items you want to purchase. Then you are ready to proceed and check out. Step 3. On the checkout page, you will be asked to select your payment method. Choose Gcash from the options available and proceed to the next step. Step 4. Enter your Gcash mobile number and confirm the transaction. You will receive a confirmation message from Gcash once the payment is successful. Step 5 and the final one is to check your Shein order status. You can check the status of your order by going to your account and selecting the Orders tab. With these simple steps, you can pay with Gcash on Shein online. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.